So this is the juice press. Hello my lovelies, welcome to Dear Denise Kitchen, or welcome back to Dear Denise Kitchen. I am so happy and very privileged to have you join us today. So if you have seen the previous videos on this on my Magimix that I bought, you would have seen what is being shown on here at the moment. But in this video I just want to show you the extra components that comes with the Magimix. My Magimix is the 5200XL premium, so the premium comes with 3 extra bits to the that you would get if you were to buy the 4200XL food processor. The 5200XL food processor comes with the citrus press, but it doesn't come with the other 2 extra bits. So I just want to show you these 3 extra bits. Okay, so the first one is the citrus press. Then you have the extra large extra press kit that literally turns your food processor into a juicer, and then you get 3 extra blades as well with the food processor. And I think it's quite worth it, because if you compare how much it costs, the 5200XL processor costs in comparison to the premium, I think you save a little bit. That's also the reason why I decided to choose this. So if you stay along with me, you'll be able to see how all these extra components looks like, and in another video I'll be able to demonstrate how they all work. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like my video and share my video so we can build this community up. I appreciate you all. So this is what we have in this one. And then the smaller one, let me just open that. These extra blades, which are different. This one, and then we have this one. So it's just 3 different yeah, and these ones are full. All right, and this is the juice press. This is how the juice press looks. So you put your orange or lemon or whatever here, and then you close it, and it just juices it really quickly for you. And this one I'm going to open in a minute and show you. So let me put the camera back and then we continue. So I've shown you all these. I'm just going to show you what's in this. Oh yeah, I haven't shown you. This is the function. You have stop, you have auto, you have pulse. But we'll go through all that when I come in demonstrating how to use it at some point. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm probably going to demonstrate how to use it in another video. We can use it to make so many things. We can cut salad, we can make some mousse, we can make juices, we can make some mayonnaise. I mean, Magimix is just endless things that you can use it for. I mean, it can literally replace most of the gadgets in the kitchen. Anyway, let's come to this. Now this one was an extra one that I bought as well. I think depending on which one you choose and what it comes with, I've got, this is the, what does it say on here? This one says the extra press. I think I bought the, oh, I didn't realize it'll give me additional, okay. Oh, and it's rough, so it's This is for juices. That's the spatula. Okay. So this is how it looks like. So let's look at it in real life. This is how it is. And this is to make like it shows on here. Look at that. You can make like you can literally fit an apple in here. Do I have an apple? I can try. You got all this here. So I'll just make additional video for us to see the things that we can, you know, use this Magimix for, in case you want to get some. So you've got juices, smoothies, and then over here it shows something like making milk, like nut milk and stuff like that, which is also fantastic. I mean, I have a Vitamix that can make all that as well, but we'll see how this Magimix does it as well. Look at that. It's an incredible looking gadget. It's so interesting. I'm really curious to see how it works. It says press. Well, you press, then what happens? Is that how to release? Oh, okay. I have a lot to read to get to know how to use this, because I've never used this one before. Yeah, so here we go. And it also comes with this. So I guess, okay, let's have a look. Let's see how it fits on here. Oops. Let's move this one, put that here. I should have made that red for me. Cheeky. Well, at least this is red, but anyway, should we get these ones out or just, let's get these extra ones out. So I need to wash them anyway. So this would fit on here like that. And then you have this. And that would close like that. And I guess you put your apple or whatever in here, and then you juice it up. Yeah. Maybe I should wash this and then just demonstrate one for you. So, yeah, there you go. That is my Magimix. If you have any questions about it, just let me know, and let me see if I can do something for you. Depends on how long this video is. I think it's a very long video already, so I think we'll do the juicing and everything else in the next video. So until next time, bye for now.